All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the date styling within text. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to remove this, and what I'm going to do is going to create a parameter, maybe now, what time right now is. Okay, and we're going to use this to basically look at basically format this now into different formats that are available, pre-built date styles that are available within text. Okay, so I'm going to change this text. Okay, one of the text initializer takes date and style for the text. Okay, so we're gonna say we're gonna supply now as the date. Okay, and for the style we're gonna say we want time to be displayed. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. So as you can see, it's printing out just the time portion of date. Okay, and we can change that to display the date. So there we go. You have the date formatted now, and you can change it to relative. Okay, so a relative is basically relative to what? That's what it's saying, like 0 second, because you have to have some sort of relevance relative to this date and stuff like that. But yeah, that's another format style that's available. You can have offset. Okay, so offset once again is basically displays the offset of time from now. All right, so we're gonna come back to these, and you have another one that's actually a timer. Okay, so that's the timer one, and so as you can see, you can display a simple timer just by styling your text with style called timer. All right, let's try relative. Okay, as you can see, now relative is being applied to from the time this view has started. Okay, so it's basically showing how many relative time from that moment when the view was initialized or view was loaded onto the memory. Now the other one, which was offset, which we could not see, that's something that's actually showing how much offset from the original time it is. Okay, so it's 9 seconds offset now, 10 seconds offset now, and so basically you can display formatted date with a given style using this initializer that accepts a date and the style for the formatting. All right, so this was a little bit about how you can style dates purely using text style overload.